everybody, welcome to this episode of Hands on Science.
Hey, Carr.
Hey, Mel.
Hey.
I've got quite the challenge for you today.
You do? Let's see.
I do.
I could probably meet it.
So for this challenge, we've got a ring.
A ring.
And we've got a beaded chain.
Okay.
So first, Mel, I'm going to ask you to kind of hold that chain up for me.
Okay.
Just like that. And I'm going to show this to you once, and then you have to try and
challenge is pretty easy
do
so
it again.
far.
Okay, so hold it a little higher for me. And what I'm going to do is I'm just holding this regular metal ring. And I'm going to drop it, and this chain is going to catch this ring.
I don't believe you.
You ready?
Right. Go.
Just like that.
Just like that.
So now you have to do the same thing. Seems easy, right?
I think I can do it.
Okay, so I'll hold the chain for you.
Okay. Let's see if I can do it. If I do it, do I get $1?
Sure.
Oh. Try it again. Try it again.
Try again.
Try again. This one, it'll work.
Almost.
How did you do it? What's going on?
You want to see it one more time?
One more time.
Okay. Let's see this one more time.
Okay.
Okay, so regular metal ring.
Mm-hmm.
And the chain is going to catch it.
That was cool.
So, if you guys think you know how this works, please leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed this activity as much as we did, please make sure to subscribe for more Hands on Science. We'll see you next time.
Bye.